So guys, this video I'll be assembling my drone frame and I'll be assembling my ESCs. So yeah, this one more BLDC motors and ESCs. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's attach our legs. Actually, if you see, this is the front or back and these are the sides, as you can see here. This is how they are built. This two red will be front and these two white will be back, like this. And you can choose any color as front or any color as back, it's your wish. So in my case, I'll be using this side as front and this side as back. So you have to attach like I think, yeah, like this, yeah, like this. So let's turn the drone and let's start attaching it. I don't want to, you don't need to tight the first screw too tight because you have to adjust the second screws. Yeah, they'll be giving you two sets of screws. In that you have to choose the smaller one, and you'll be needing precision screwdrivers as I mentioned in my previous video. So guys, this is now I had assembled it. It looks like this. You can do it on your own. So now I will be attaching BLDC motors. Yeah, if you open it, you will be given with some set. Yeah, this stand, you will not be using this stand, so keep it aside. And this part you have to be very careful, guys. This is for attaching the propellers. Now I won't be attaching the propellers, so I'll be keeping it aside. Okay, now you see these 4 screw holes. When you buy the drone frame, they give you screws, so you don't need to use the screws which are given here, as they won't fit in through the drone because the screws are very short. They are given for this stand, that's all. So you'll be needing 4 screws. And you must be you need a bigger tip, as last time when I tightened this one, I used a small tip. So guys, let's see. It's actually, I should have attached the motor before I attached my drone frame. Whatever, this is my first experience, guys, so it happens. Small minor details. At last, guys, you have to repeat it to all sides of the motors. So yeah, and another thing is you have to insert this wire inside. You'll be also be needing cable ties. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention it. It's just 45 rupees per bundle. Yeah, and you don't need to put a lot of pressure here. All these edges will snap. So this follows through the rest of the process. All the BLDC motors are attached, so it will be looking like this. You have to insert all the wire beneath this one. Now we'll be attaching ESC, guys, so you will not be needing this one, so cut this one, guys. Yeah, better cut it little bit down because you may use this still. Make sure you do not cut it too much beneath because you have to solder it here. And make sure that you just peel off a small part of it. Don't peel off a large part. or else you'll be losing material. And be very careful, guys. Just press little and just pull, or else you'll be snapping the wires here. Yeah, I also recommend you to buy these cutting tools. It's mandatory, guys. We'll be attaching it, guys. You'll be needing cable ties to tie this like this. So first, now I realize that there is a big issue in soldering this. I should have actually attached this, so I'll be removing this and again I'll be soldering this because it's impossible, guys. I don't want to snap or I don't want to damage my drone frames. That's why I said at the beginning, do not tighten your drone too much. So I just removed it, guys, and I just want to give you some precautions. While soldering, you have to put a mask, or you have to put some fume extractors which you'll get in a market, or which you can make. You'll be needing a solder gun, and make sure your tip is flat. Actually, soldering is pretty much simple, guys. You have to just heat the pad little bit, and you have to push your solder little bit here, and you can see it's sat there. You have to just spread it little bit. Same process, guys. Follow the same procedure to all of this boards. So guys, soldering this was an ordeal. Usually always soldering is a big ordeal. So I have soldered this one. Now you have to just apply a little of solder to the wires, just a little bit. Basically soldering is easy right now. Solder this wire here as red is positive and black is negative. Heat the solder and just put it still. Let it dry. Yeah. And now, guys, it's done. Make sure you solder it very stiffly because you don't want it snapping during the flight, as that will become so much crucial. It's a very tight joint. I don't think it will come off that much easily. So guys, just repeat it here. This one goes here, this one goes here, and yeah, this is for battery, guys. So guys, I have attached everything. Make sure that they are pretty solid, as if they snap out while the duration of flight, it may result in crash. So guys, I'm using a black tape just to mark it. I'll not be covering it completely. Just a minute. And the positive goes to positive and the negative goes to negative, guys. Heat the pad and again insert it slowly. So you'll be cable tying this one. Again you have to screw it, so I'll be skipping this one. So this is how it looks. Now it's pretty much neat, guys. Now use cable ties to secure your ESCs on position. Make sure it's tight. And next, turn the drone upside down. Be gentle, and then connect these connectors. You must actually cable tie this like this, but still we don't know which is anti-clockwise and which should be clockwise. Now it's okay, guys. This will be going to flight controller. So this is the part 2 of my video, guys. I'll be making part 3 as as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. If it helps you, if this video helps you, you can share it with your friends, etc. If you need some, if you want to give some suggestion on this video, the comment section is always there. I read every comments. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.